Your phone and internet are almost certainly deductible as a freelancer. But the way most people claim these deductions is either wrong, way too aggressive, or missing an easy 100% deduction strategy entirely. Let me break down exactly how this works so you can claim what you are owed and stay on solid ground with the IRS. Here is the core rule. If you use a phone or internet connection for both personal and business purposes, which describes almost every freelancer situation, you can only deduct the business use percentage, not the full bill, a percentage of the bill. The IRS is clear that you cannot deduct the cost of the basic telephone service on your primary personal phone. The first phone line into your home is considered a personal expense. But the business use portion of your cell phone bill, mobile data charges, and secondary services, those are deductible. Here is how the calculation works. You look at your monthly phone bill. You estimate what percentage of your phone usage is for business. Then you deduct that percentage of the monthly cost. If your phone bill is $100 per month or $200 per year, and you estimate 70% business use, you deduct $840. If you estimate 50% business use, you deduct $600. The same math applies to internet. If your internet bill is $80 per month or $960 per year, and 60% of your usage is for business, you deduct $576. The question everyone asks is, what percentage should I claim? There is no universal right answer. The percentage needs to reflect your actual usage, and it needs to be defensible if the IRS asks about it. For most working freelancers, 70% to 80% is a reasonable range for phone. You use your phone for client calls, project communications, business apps, research, invoicing, and professional contacts. You also use it for personal calls, social media scrolling, and entertainment. A claim of 75% phone business use is believable and defensible for an active freelancer. A claim of 100% is not. No one uses a single cell phone exclusively for business. For internet, 60% to 70% is typically the defensible range. You use the internet for client work, project delivery, video calls, research, and managing your business. You also use it to stream shows, play games, and browse socially. A claim of 65% internet business use is reasonable. A claim of 100% is a red flag. If you want to claim 100%, there is a clean way to do it. Get a dedicated line. A second phone number or a second phone used exclusively for business is 100% deductible. A dedicated business internet line, separate from your home internet, is 100% deductible. There is no mixed use issue because there is no personal use. Some freelancers set up a separate mobile phone plan just for business. The cost is fully deductible. Their personal phone is a personal expense. The business phone is a business expense. Clean, simple, 100% defensible. If you have home internet bundled with cable TV or other services, there is an extra step. First, separate the internet-only cost from the total bundle. Do not apply your business use percentage to the cable bill. Apply it only to the portion that represents internet service. If your bundle is $150 per month and internet is $60 of that, you start with the $60 and then apply your business use percentage. Now let's talk about documentation. This is where people get lazy and where it matters most. You do not need to produce a call-by-call log, but you need to be able to explain how you arrived at your business use percentage. The best approach is to look at your actual usage. Most smartphones show screen time by app, and some carriers break down call and data usage by type. Even a simple note explaining your reasoning is better than nothing. Write down the business activities that require your phone and internet. Client video calls, project uploads, email management, research, invoicing, cloud storage access. Compare that against personal use, streaming, social scrolling, personal calls. Use that comparison to justify your percentage. Keep your monthly bills or annual statements as documentation. If you are audited, the IRS will want to see that you had the expense and that you can explain the business use calculation. For reporting, your phone and internet deductions typically go on Schedule C. There are two options depending on how your account classifies them: Line 25 is for utilities. Line 27A is for other expenses. Many preparers put phone and internet on line 25. Either is acceptable, just be consistent. If you work from a home office that you claim a home office deduction for, be careful not to double dip. If your home office deduction already includes a portion of your internet costs, you should not also claim it on the phone and internet line. Work with your CPA to make sure you are capturing the full deduction without overlapping categories. Here is a quick real-world example. You are a freelance marketing consultant. Your cell phone bill is $120 per month. Your home internet is $90 per month. You estimate 75% business use on your phone and 65% business use on your internet. Phone deduction, 120 0.75 all 12 months. Equal $1,080 per year. Internet deduction, $90 all 0.65 IMA 12 months. Is $702 per year. Total annual deduction, $1,782. At a 22% federal income tax rate and a 5% state rate, that saves you roughly $481 in taxes per year. Over a 5-year freelance career, that is $2,400 in tax savings on 2 regular monthly bills you would have anyway. That is not a massive number, but it is real money that most freelancers either miss entirely or claim incorrectly. Get the percentage right, keep the documentation, and put the deduction on the right line of Schedule C. If you want 100% deduction, go get a dedicated business phone line. For many active freelancers, the simplicity and defensibility of a fully deductible second line outweighs the extra monthly cost. Subscribe for more practical tax strategies built for freelancers. Drop a comment if you have questions about claiming your phone or internet deduction. See you in the next one.